Okay, we will compute the correlation coefficient and the coefficients of the line of regression using a TI-30XS. Step 1, we select data. So let's clear out, let's see, select data, and we're going to go ahead and type in our data into the first two columns, L1 and L2. L1, we will place our X values there. So we have, let's see, start with 62, 76, 52, 53, 100, 71, 46, 54, and then 72. Now we go to the second column, we type in our Y values, 19, 11, 18, 19, 8, 10, 30, 27, and 12. Once we enter our values, our next step will be to compute our coefficients. And so to do this, we select second stat, and we use the down arrow to go to two variables. Hit enter. And it just reminds us that the X data is in the first column, Y data second column. Use your down arrow to calculate. Hit enter. N is 9 values. We just use your down arrow to get to the key values here. So R is negative 0.838. Here's where we have to be careful because on the calculator, the A and B values are switched. So when you write them down for your formula, make sure you switch. So A becomes B, negative 0.384, and B becomes A, 42.11. So that's indicative of this type of calculator, so you just have to make sure that you swap the two values. And then finally, we're going to compute X equal to 93 using our line of regression. And it turns out that there's a nice feature in the calculator that allows us to do this. So we just have to use our down arrows to go to Y prime, hit enter, and we type in 93, close the parentheses. Oops, let's go back. So 93, select enter, and inside here you can see we have our value of 6.4. 6.4 is the value. And that is how we calculate those coefficients for using the TI-30XS.